guys, I'm srigolipalli.
Hey guys, this is Kitisha
And welcome back to our channel Unlock Ideas.
Today we're gonna do a fun challenge and that is
Blindfold Taste.
Let's go!
So guys,
we have some flavored chips with us and we have to taste it with this blindfold on and guess the flavor right. Whoever guesses right gets 1 point and whoever gets more points win this challenge. Let's start. And we're gonna ask our mom to put this setup.
okay. So we are going to take mom's help to set up the balls. Okay,
Let's get started.
and we're back with the blindfold on. Now we're gonna and done with the setup also. Now we're gonna take the chips, eat it, and get the taste.
Okay.
Let's start. One, two, three, four. Okay. I'm gonna taste this bar. Which one?
This one.
Okay. Oh, wait. This bowl, and let's taste it. Okay. Hold this. Okay. This smells like biscuits. I don't know. I think this is Indian masala.
Blue color is.
Indian masala.
I
think
don't
so.
know.
I think it's Indian masala.
I think
No,
this
no.
is
Sweet
Sweet and
salt.
sweet. No, that sweet and sauce. I don't know that orange color one.
Sweet
Orange
and chili.
color, yes.
Blue color one.
Wait,
I think this is the blue color one.
blue color one is Indian masala, something like that.
I think this is the blue one only.
I think this is the orange one.
Okay.
I'll go with orange.
Okay. I'll put it in the bowl. Okay. I think that's blue one.
Now we'll have some water.
Okay.
Just to refresh our taste buds. Now let's take the second one. Okay, this is our second one.
Okay.
Wait. This is the second one. Now we'll taste it. I don't know this flavor.
I think
Wait,
this
I
is
know.
tomato one.
This is tomato. Red color chips.
Red color chips.
Red color chips.
Tomato.
I know this for sure. The final answer is tomato. Tomato flavored.
Red color chips.
Yeah. Second chips, I'm gonna place it right here.
Again, water, please.
Water. Okay, next the third one.
Okay. Here it is.
Okay, this is our third one. I know this flavor. I know the smell of this.
I don't know.
My final answer
I think this is orange one.
blue one.
This is orange
Indian
one.
magical masala, something like that.
I don't know this.
Well,
I guess this is orange one.
Where is it?
I think this is orange one. I'll place here. Okay.
This is the blue one. My final answer is blue Indian
This is
masala.
orange one. Orange one.
Magical Indian masala, something like that.
I don't know, but this. I guess this is orange one.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. I'll place this side.
Now we'll
Okay.
take water.
And again water.
Okay. The final one.
Very nice. Okay. Okay, I got this one. See? Okay, this is
one.
our final one, and
I know this. I know what is this.
this is my favorite one.
Yeah, this is my sister's
Onion.
favorite one.
Onion, creamy onion.
Cream and onion. The green color is the light green one.
I like this flavor.
This is my sister's favorite flavor. FYI.
Yeah. I want one more.
I like this flavor.
Tasty one.
Cream and onion.
Cream and onion. My favorite.
My sister's favorite, right?
Okay.
Ah.
I'll place here only. Okay.
Okay.
Then some water.
Now, let's take the blindfold on and see who wins.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3,
three.
go. Ah, my world is so bright right now. Okay, let's see. The first flavor is this one, and this is orange. What did I say?
I don't know.
I don't remember.
I think I said the blue one.
I think I said the orange one.
Yes.
I get 1 point for this. The first one.
I lost points.
Second one. What did I say for the second one?
I think I said tomato.
And what did I say? This is
Yes,
red.
red one.
Points. 2 points.
Yes.
1
And
point.
third one.
Blue one.
I said
know.
orange.
Blue one.
Again, I lost a point.
3 points. And last one is, of course, we know this green one.
Yay.
Cream and onion.
My favorite.
2 points and 4 points. She lost and I won. I won again. I won again. This is my favorite one. The
This is my
bluish.
favorite one.
The bluish, which is
Green
Indian magical masala. Somewhere. That one. This is my favorite one. And with my sister's favorite
And
one.
what is your favorite flavor?
Comment and tell us.
Have some chips.
So that's it for today's video.
If you like the video,
Then please like, share, subscribe to our channel Unlock Ideas. We'll come up with new challenge next week. Until then, bye.
Thank you for watching.